Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-thru. We're here with Delaney and Eve and Ellie here. I'm having a great time. And they, like so many of you, need help with recursive formulas. So, let's start. We're just going to talk about arithmetic sequences to start, which is lines, okay? So, let's say we have a 10, 13, 16, 19. We've got a sequence that looks like that. Okay? So what is the first term of this sequence, Ellie? That's right. Very good. So the first term is 10. The second term is 13. The third term is 16. The fourth term is 19, ... Okay? What the recursive formula is trying to prepare you to be is a programmer. Okay? If you want to write a program, and I'm going to show you how to do this, all you need is a starting point. So in this case, our starting point is that if we put in our 1 into our function, what is the output value? Very good, Eve. So that is the first part of the recursive formula, okay? Now, to find any term, that's what f of n means, any term we want. The recursive bases any term off of the previous term. So like if we wanted to find f of 3, we could have gone back and looked at f of 2, and then added 3 to it to get to that. Does that make sense? So if we want to find f of n, we go back and look at the previous term's output. That's what this means. This is the previous term. Okay? And then we are going to add 3 to it. This is the recursive formula. There's actually 2. Now, just so I can show you guys how that's actually used, let's go into Microsoft. Oh, sorry, we don't have Microsoft products here. Let's go into Google Sheets, okay? And let's write ourselves a little program. Come on. 1. I'm going to type a 1 here in. Okay? If it works. Very slow. 1. Number lock, maybe? What's going on? Alright, we got our 1 finally. This thing is very laggy. Alright, now, our first term was a 10, so we'd have to put that in. Does that make sense? And I'm trying to type in a 10. It's just not working. It's kind of like you guys. Maybe this is just checking Instagram real quick. Alright, and it's working. Here we go. So, look what we're going to do. We're going to write a program. In this cell, we're going to hit this cell equals the cell above it plus 1. Right? And now I can take this and just drag it down as far as I want to go. Now, this one, we say to get to the next one, we go to the previous output, this cell, and what did we do in this one, Ellie? We added 3, right? No, not B21. Equals the one above it, plus 3, enter. And now, if you just scroll that one down and copy that equation, it'll fill out your table for you the same way our table was filled out. So that's how these computers come up with their numbers. You have to program them, and you would use recursive instead of linear, like y equals mx plus b. Does that help? So again, just as a quick summary, to find a recursive formula, you start with an entry point, usually that's f of 1, and then you say to find any number, f of n, you take the previous number, and then this is what it looks like in arithmetic. If it was geometric, instead of a plus, what would that be? Nope. It'd be a multiply. Okay? And I'll help you with that when you get to it. Hey, Eve. Boom!